Innocent until caught. He's trying to deny the leafy crime, isn't he? Food tastes better when you're part of it. No one knows the importance of hydration while running more than this pup. One sip, one round. No doubt, Grandma's garden is where this puppy lends a paw, and sometimes a bite. When you are messing up the house, then Mum's back. Trying to film a star, but he's too busy snacking my camera. Dude, calm down. When people ask who is the prettiest in the room, and my pup be like, everyone knows that if your little princess claimed it, now it's yours to buy.
Do you want it, buddy? Do you want it, buddy?
Dachshund was bred to be fearless.
Since when does SOS stand for Save Our Socks? What is this little one doing? Is he putting all toys on a cage vacation?
Yeah. Come on.
Even though they have just met, it's true that birds of a feather play together. They are the most adorable bodyguards I could ever have. I think they should change those signboards into fierce into cuteness, not in size.
Purse.
Don't we all have that one friend who's crazily enthusiastic around the sheep? Unexpected friendships can bloom beautifully at the BAM, especially between different species. They said you would always find interesting things on the sofa. Turned out they were right. This papa and this bed are just like me and my bestie, inseparable. When you're tiny, but you have a big appetite for toy burgers. Model agency? Hire me for the food ads.
Just a small bite. What's going on here?
Miss Whisker just heard that petting dogs would bring good luck, so there she is.
She's massaging Peanut.
Weightlifting is exhausting work. Maybe tomorrow we'll try some fetch?
Sit down. Good. Go to bed. Good. Round, down. Good. Where's your baby? Where's your baby? Good. Where's your ball? Where's your ball? Good. Baby.
Bro, you really have the skills. There is a long line of furry customers. Hats off. When your Frenchie discovers his celebrity crush on screen. Gosh, he's quick. Looks like someone must have swapped that puppy's battery for Duracells. When your poodle moonlights as a mole. If that cutie's eyes could speak, they would scream, "What about me, Mama?" Who knew that your dog and water could be a perfect match made in heaven?
Oh, he's so tough. Grr. Oh.
My spirit animal upon hearing someone mention free food. The struggle of living with an over-energetic sibling is real. Dog's logic, wearing the same muddy coats so nobody can tell them apart. When you are already late for work, but there's a pup in a basket. Hope these cuties' antics brightened your day. Remember, every dog has its day, and this one's all about laughter. Like and subscribe for more. Bye bye.